Good morning, student. Today I am going to start a new chapter of grammar, that is determiners. What are determiners? Determiners are the words used before nouns to determine or specify them. For example, the postman is a useful public servant. My watch is not working well. Those mangoes are delicious. There is a little milk in the jug. In the above sentences, the underlined words are determiners. In first sentence, the specify the person postman. In the second sentence, my shows the ownership of the noun watch. In third sentence, the word those determines or specifies the mangoes. It points out mangoes and says those mangoes. So it is a determiner. In fourth sentence, a little determines the quantity of the noun milk. Kinds of determiners. There are 5 kinds of determiners: articles, demonstratives, possessives, numeral determiners, and quantifiers. Student, you are already know about articles. A and the are articles. This, that, these, those are demonstratives. My, art, yours, hers, theirs. These are some possessives. One, two, first, last. These are numeral determiners. Some, many, much, more. These are quantifiers. There are 5 kinds of determiners. In this video, we will study 3 kinds of determiners. The rest of the determiner we will study in our next video. We begins with articles. Articles are used to point out people or things. So they are used before a noun. They are used in specific or general reference. The words a and the are called articles. We divide these articles into 2 categories or 2 parts: definite article and indefinite article. The is definite article, a and are indefinite articles. Articles a and an are used before singular countable nouns. Example: he is an honest boy. I like to eat an apple. We use a before a countable singular noun begins with a consonant sound. Example: a banana, a song, a university. University is a word which starts from the vowel u, but it is giving the sound of u, y, and y is a consonant. The noun which start from the consonant sound or consonant, we use a. If our noun start with the vowel or giving the sound of a vowel, then we use an egg, an honest boy. In this word honest, H is silent and it is giving the sound of O, and O is a vowel. That's why we are using an. We can use the before a singular noun or a plural noun, countable noun or uncountable noun. It points out some definite or particular person or thing. For example, I have read the book you are talking of. I have read the book. Which book I have read? You are talking of. It means we are specifying the book. In the second sentence, sweetest is the Superlative degree of adjective. Before the superlative degree of adjective, we also use the article. The is definite article. It has the following uses. Before the names of rivers, ranges of mountains, gulfs, seas, oceans, group of islands, names of ships, we use definite article the. For example, the Ganga, the Himalayas, the Pacific Ocean, the Samrat, etc. Before the name of religious book, we also use definite article the Gita, the Bible, the Quran, etc. Before the name of newspaper and the magazine, we also use definite article the, like the Times of India, the Tribune, etc. Before the names of races and communities, we also use definite article the Sikhs, the Hindus, the Muslims, etc. There are three degree of adjective. Before superlative degree of adjective, we also use definite article the most beautiful girl. With such words as first, last, next, only, same, we also use article the. With such nouns as earth, moon, sun, sky, etc., we also use article the. The earth revolves round the sun. Our next determiners are demonstratives. Demonstrative adjectives are determiners that are used to point out a person or a thing. They are this, that, these, those. This and these refer to persons or objects close by. This is used before singular nouns and these before plural nouns. That and those refer to persons or objects at a distance. That is used before singular nouns and those before plural noun. This and that can be used before the uncountables also. For example, this book contains all the information. And one more example is this food is not fit to be eaten. In this sentence, food is uncountable. Our next determiners are possessives. Possessive adjectives are determiners which show that something belongs to somebody. It denotes possession. They are my, your, our, her, his, their, etc. For example, her house is very big. My car is new. His dog is very active. My house is near the temple. In the above sentences, her, my, his, my show the belongings or ownership of the noun. These are possessive determiners. Rest of the determiners we will study in our next video lesson. I hope these kinds of determiners are clear to you.